in details of those concepts. Okay, so generally the details of operating system. Generally, operating system is a type of system software. So as you know, if we talk of software, we are dividing software into two categories. Okay, application software and system software. And operating system an operating system is a type of system software. Okay, so system software are the software which acts as which is controlling the hardware and providing an interface to the user. It is a kind of that. Okay, so generally we will be dealing with various operations. Okay, so first of all, book. Okay, so the book which we will be following, this is the book you should keep it. It should be there with you for your lifelong. Okay, operating system concepts by Galvin Silverswords. And Gagne. Publisher is Willy. I think now you have 10th edition as the latest. So any edition, 9, 10, whichever you get, you can go through this edition. Okay, so this is the book and talking about the course content. If you talk about the course content, so the course content first will be introduction, where I will be talking about the OS, okay, and the various types of OS and function of OS. Okay, then second, I will be dealing with process. Okay, so basic concepts of related with process. Basic concepts. What is a process? What are the process attributes? Okay, what can be mm, uh, the process control block? Okay, all these things. Then process states, and then I will be going into process scheduling, which is also known as CPU scheduling. Okay, how process will be scheduled to be assigned to CPU. Third, what we will be doing is, fourth, we will be talking about a very important aspect of process, that is process synchronization. Okay, where we will be talking about monitors, where we will be talking about locks. So this talks about, generally over here we will be dealing with critical section. What is critical section? Piece of resource or a piece of code, or it can be a resource which will be shared by more than one process. Okay, that is known as critical section. And what we will be doing in process synchronization, how that resource will be accessed by the process in such a way that they are not entering into a deadlock. Okay, then we will be going through deadlock. So what is deadlock? What are the conditions of deadlock? Okay, and how to avoid deadlock? So what is deadlock? Conditions of deadlock, and finally, how to avoid deadlock? Deadlock avoidance, deadlock avoid deadlock, and recovery of deadlock, recovery from deadlock. Okay, so after this, then we will be sixth topic. We will be focusing on memory management, where we will be talking about logical address space, physical address space, and also there is a new concept over here we will be learning is the concept of virtual memory. So how memory is managed, okay, and there will be various page. So the concepts of page, segments, page and segments are how we are dividing our memory. Okay, we can divide it in form of page or we can define it in form of segments. Okay, virtual memory concepts, page replacement algorithm. Okay, page replacement algorithm. These all concepts will be there in memory management. Then, then the seventh topic will be related to file management, file systems, or file management, where we will be focusing on what are the directory structure, what can be the directory structure of file, what can be the file access, the basic concept of file systems. So all these things will be covered in your file management. And finally, the last topic where we will be focusing on disk management. In disk management, what we will be doing is we will be studying about the disk structure and disk schedule. Okay, so this is the complete syllabus of your operating system. so which I will be teaching to you in this semester. And this is your book. From my point of view, you should buy this book. You should have a personal copy of this book, as this concept of operating system will be with you for lifelong. So rather than getting book from library, I would suggest to buy this book. If it is possible for you to buy, you can buy it, or you can get it from library. I think some websites are having this book also, PDF book available on web also, so you can have that also. And these are the course contents. So there are total of 8 topics, okay, which we will be covering, and so I will be discussing numericals for each and every topic. Okay, because this is based on completely numericals and code, so I will be making use of numericals and code. So theory aspects will be only there in the introduction section. The rest section will be having concepts. There will be concepts, theoretical concepts will be there, but I will be dealing with numericals. And certain thing I need to make it clear. So you have to be attentive in your class. You have to attend your class regularly, when it is in online mode or it is in offline mode. Okay, I won't be recording anything. So you have to attend your class regularly. Any question from your end?
Sir, what is the time for the class actually?
Time for the class? It will be from 1:30 to 3:30.
Okay, sir.
From next day onwards. Today I am just giving an introduction. Why you don't have your syllabus? You don't have your timetable?
Sir,
No,
Yes.
it has changed. It has been changed 1 week back.
Yes, sir, it has changed.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I'm seeing it has been changed 1 week back. It is 1:30 to 3:30. You can see your timetable. It is 1:30 to 3:30. And on Monday you have your lab from 1:30 to 4:30. So sorry, 4:25. 1:30 to 4:25. So is there any other thing from your end?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have not been added in this team, sir.
What is your name?
Sri Radhika, sir.
Yes, sir. Me too, sir.
Which team you are not? How you are attending the class now then?
Sir, link given in group, sir. Official group. Sir, link was shared in official group, sir.
Okay, so you are getting the link, no?
Yes, sir. But mail we are not getting, sir. In Teams we are not saying, sir. This team, sir. In MS.
Okay, send me a mail. Send me a mail. I'll add it. I will add. I have received some mail yesterday also. I will be adding them to the lab group. You send me the mail.
Okay, sir.
I'll add it. What is there in that? You can mention your name and roll number. Your mail ID will be. Please send mail from your NITP mail ID. I'll add it. So those who are so students who have not been added in this group, they can send me the mail. I'll add them. Not an issue. Okay. I have also received some mail yesterday related to the group for OS Labs. So I will add them. Anything else?
सर पीपीटी शेयर कर दीजिएगा सर हर एक क्लास का।
नहीं, कुछ नहीं शेयर होगा। क्लास अटेंड करो। लास्ट टाइम तुम लोग का इन्वॉल्वमेंट मैं देख चुका हूँ। ठीक है। मुझे I know that I'm if I do like this, there will be some students who are really interested in class. They will be suffering, but as a whole, seeing the entire class attitude, this time I will be only taking class. I won't be recording. First thing, I won't be recording. PPT sharing, that also I'll not do now. I will see how the class is going on. Based on that, I will do it. I know this may be harsh on the students who are really interested in the class, but I have to take this call. Okay, so we will meet on Thursday. From Thursday, we'll be starting our classes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
ओके सर।
Okay,
थैंक यू
sir.
सर।
Thank you, sir.
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 थैंक यू सर।